Hello, you're welcome to another exciting what edition or video on what on physics, and we are going to do a quick revision on what we have done in our previous videos, and we can now get right into what we have for today on conversion. Remember, we've been working on what conversion. Okay, so quickly, I would like to solve this in few steps, and we can now look at what we have on conversion. So first question says convert 500 centimeter to what? Meter. Okay. So we have 500, okay, centimeter. Okay. Remember, this is 500 times what? Centi times what? Okay. Times meter. So what this means is we have 500 times. You should remember your submultiple. Centi means 10 raised to the power of minus what? 2. And meter is what? M. Okay. Now a quick way to do this is you can simply say 500. This is times if you apply your principle of what indices. This is 1 over what? 10 raised to the power of 2. Okay. So we have meter. This becomes 500 times 1 is still 500. Okay. 10 square means 10 times 10, which is 100. So we have 500, okay, divide by what? 100. So these will cancel these will cancel these. So we have 5 over 1, which is the 5 what? Meter. So this gives us the simple solution for the first problem. Okay, so convert 500 centimeter to meter. Our answer to that problem is what? 5 what? Meter. All right, so let's also solve the second problem. Now, for the second problem, we have to convert, 5 meter to what? Centimeter. So, for number 2, our 5 meter to centimeter is going to be, remember I said if you are moving from centimeter is larger, meter is larger than centimeter. If you are moving down, you divide by what? Centi, which is 10 raised to the power of minus what? 2. Okay, then we can now put what? Meter. So this becomes what? 5, okay, over 1 times 1 over 10 raised to the power minus 2 meters. So this gives us 5, okay. Now for this, okay, you are going to apply your knowledge of what indices. If I have a raised to the power minus 2, it means 1 over what? A raised to the power 2. So if I also have, okay, 1 over what? A raised to the power of minus 2, it means a raised to the power of 2. Okay, so we are going to apply this here. Okay, so the inverse removes the minus, so we have this. So this inverse is going to remove this minus, so we have 5 times what? 10 raised to the power of what? 2 meter. All right, so this is going to give us 5 times 10 raised to the power of 2 is 10 times 10, okay, meter. So we have 5 times 10 is 50 times 10. So we have is what? 500 meters. So that gives us a solution to this problem. All right, so having done this, we can now see that when we convert 500 centimeter to meter, we have 5 meter. And when we convert 5 meter to centimeter, we are back to what? 500 what? Centimeter. All right. So now we can now proceed with what we have for today. Right. In physics, okay, we also have mass, okay, which is one of the fundamental quantities in physics. Remember, they are length, mass, and time, which is our what? L and what? T. That's for the dimensions. Now we're going to be working on converting mass. Most times in physics, you want to convert what? Mass from what? Gram to kilogram. Okay? In physics, you will always want to convert mass, okay, from gram to kilogram. But in chemistry, okay, most times you solve in what? Grams, all right? But in physics, we solve in kilograms. Now the question is, how do we convert, from kilogram to gram, or from gram to what? Kilogram. So I'm going to draw a circle here, and I'm also going to draw under here. Okay. Now, if for instance I have example, I have convert, say 5 kilogram to what? Gram. Now the idea is this. All you want to know is what is kilo. Okay. Now kilo is a prefix that represents what? 10 raised to the power of what? 3. So when we say kilo, it means 10 raised to the power of 3. So all we need to do in this case is we are going to say 5 what? Times. Remember, it's kilo times what? Gram. So we have this as 5 times our kilo means this. So we have 10 raised to the power of 3 times what? Gram, which is G. Alright? So this gives us 5 times. This means 10 times 10 times 10 gram. So that will give us, this is 1000. So we have 5 times 1000 gram. Okay? So the answer to this problem is what? 5,000 what? Grams. Okay? Because 5 times what? 1000 gram is also 5,000 grams. Alright, so now if you're converting from kilogram to grams, what do you observe? Now from kilograms to grams, you are going to multiply by this. We are going to multiply by this, so times 10 raised to the power of what? 3. Well, if you are converting from gram back to kilogram, you are going to divide by what? 10 raised to the power of 3. Now let's see how this works, okay? Now, we are now going to convert what we have just done back. Let's see what it gives us. So remember, converting 5 kilograms to grams, we have 5,000 grams. Now let's, for example, let's convert what? 5,000 grams to what? Kilogram. Now to convert 5,000 grams to kilogram, all you need to do is you bring the 5,000. Now remember, we are moving from where? From gram to what? Kilogram. So from gram to what? Kilogram. So we are moving from gram here to what? Kilogram. So we are going to divide by this along the way. So what it means is I'm going to put, okay, 5,000 divide 10 raised to the power of 3. Okay, since we are coming to kilogram, I'm going to put K and what? G. Okay, so this gives us, we have 5,000 divide. Now 10 raised to the power of 3 means 10 times 10 times 10, which is what? 1,000. Okay, and we can put our kilogram. Now this 0 can cancel out this can cancel out this, and this can cancel out this. So we are left with 5 over 1. So this gives us what? 5 what? Kilogram. Alright, so just for you to recall, okay, if you are converting from gram, which is what? Smaller, down to what? Kilogram, you divide by 10 raised to the power of 3. Now if you are converting from kilogram, which is larger, okay, down to 1 gram, you multiply by 10 raised to the power of 3. Okay, but most times in physics, you want to keep your mass in what? Kilograms. So you always want to divide with what? 10 raised to the power of 3, unless the problem says otherwise. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Take care. Bye.